Well, I'm back out here. Looks like the river slowed up a little bit. Actually quite a bit, but still not where it was at the beginning of the summer. Is it fall now? I guess it's fall. Let's see if we can catch some bass. Did a little Pilates last night. Got a new GoPro 8. So, yep. So, there's 2 little bass here. And the smaller one took it. So, looks like a little guad. But I think these white woolly buggers are tied with chartreuse thread. We're gonna do it. That looks like a little Guadalupe, but there was a bigger one that I was after, but the little ones always take it. Hey, let's see if I can get the big one. Boy, clobbered it, man. He was more he wanted some food, man. I thought it was a little bass. Sometimes those panfish. Now, little bass here. Looks like a little guad. You always catch guads here. Yep. There's a Guadalupe bass. Little one. They only get 16 inches is a gigantic one, so. All right. So the guads are liking this right here. All right, fun little bass. So this looks like it might be like a red eye. Well, we'll see. No, well, it could be a red eye because he's got a red sheen to him. Let's see. Well, that could be a red eye, but the eye's not red. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like could be a largemouth. But red eyes kind of got bigger mouths too. But they have that. They kind of look largemouthish, but they have red eyes, and then they've got like a what you call it on it. All right, nice little bass. Yeah, he's not that nice. He's 4-weight nice. Ooh, is that a red eye? Looks like it might be. Let's see. Maybe not. He's gonna have to have like red eyes. Close. Nope. That looks like a largemouth. They're fun. Just not that big. It's probably a little one, but oh, little bass. I mean, it's shallow water. That's where if it's not a guad, I'll be surprised. It looks like it's actually, it looks like it's a largemouth. Oh, quick release. Finding a lot of bass in this little pond, little pool here. It's deep enough. Oh, there we go. That looks like it's a little better. That's why I bring a little 3 or 4 weight out here, because these bass aren't like huge a lot of times. Sometimes I get some big ones out here and they're just freaking fun. They're a blast on a GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. So here's the little bass, not huge, but fun. Ooh. All right. GoPro. Oh. So this looks like it could be a guad. GoPro, stop recording. A little guad, little red-eye guad. Yeah, it's a guad, but